Please kindly send the gift. Please. DJ Maasai is asking that. What up, people? Mkona DJ Maasai. Thank you for your time. Fresh. I'm mixing that one. The best of Lemar to Lemar, king of the Ma, yeah? Yes. Clap. I should clap. Oh, okay. Let me clap that one for sure. There you go. Send a gift like that one. Thanks, Ene Mkulati. Great job. You're the leading one. You are so amazing. You're good. Thank you for gifting. Oh my goodness, you people are awesome. You're listening the best of Lemar. That is Maasai. If you where are you watching from? Please can you type in the comment where you are, where you viewing us from? Yeah? Mnatucheki ukiwa pande za wapi? That is Swahili. Mnatucheki ukiwa pande za wapi? Hebu naomba kama unaweza kuandika comment kwa chini hapo. That is Maasai language, yeah? What do you guys think? Kelly, what language do you speak apart from English? What other languages do you speak? Let's just ask now. What other languages? Right. The gospel is good, but one message James on the killer song. So sio James, nakwaje? Oh, English and some Spanish. Oh, okay. So when you visit East Africa, you will get other language, yeah?